In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create your own VPN using Meshnet with NordVPN. This process is quite straightforward, and in just a few minutes, you'll be able to set up a secure and private connection using Meshnet. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to log into your NordVPN app. This is the main portal where you'll perform the necessary steps to set up your VPN. If you haven't done so already, download and install the NordVPN app from their official website, which you can find through a quick online search. After installing the app, use your NordVPN credentials to log in. Once you're in the app, in the sidebar, you'll see a section labeled Meshnet. Meshnet is a unique feature offered by NordVPN that allows you to interconnect your devices, creating a personal VPN. This means you can securely connect to your home network from anywhere. Go ahead and select Devices in the Meshnet section. This option allows you to manage the devices that you want to include in your Meshnet network. The next step is to click on Meshnet. Doing so, you'll be led to a section where all your linked devices can be viewed and managed. This area is crucial for configuring which devices can access your network securely. Continuing on, it's time to link your devices. Hit the Link Devices button. This feature allows you to securely connect your devices, even if they aren't physically close to one another. You'll be prompted to provide a name and a description for each device you plan to link. This step is incredibly useful because it helps you identify all connected devices, especially if you have several like laptops, desktops, and mobile phones. Once linked, your devices can communicate securely via the Meshnet feature, creating a private, encrypted tunnel between them. This not only enhances security, but also ensures that your internet activities are private and untraceable by outsiders. There's your setup, simplified and secure. By now, you've transformed your NordVPN into a more personalized solution, linking all your devices with the secure backing of Meshnet. NordVPN's Meshnet feature is a fantastic tool for anyone looking to maintain secure communication channels between devices, whether at home or on the go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maintain better security and privacy. Remember to always keep your NordVPN app updated to enjoy the latest features and security updates. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and guides on enhancing your digital security. Happy surfing!